So here compound contains carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen by mass ratio 9:1:3.5 and its molecular weight of the compound is 108. Then the molecular formula is here carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen mass ratio 9:1:3.5 and if you add these masses we will get 13.5. 9 plus 1 10 plus 3.5 13.5 multiplied by 8 we will get the molecular weight of the compound, that is 108. So 9 plus 1 plus 3.5 totally 13.5, 8 times nothing but 108 molecular weight of the compound. Hence let us multiply this one by 8 throughout. 8 9s are 72, 8 1s are 8, 8 3.5s are 28, totally it comes to 108. 72 plus 8 80 plus 28 108 by mass. And atomic ratio 17 by 12, that is C6. This is 8 by 1, atomic weight of hydrogen is 1, that is H8, and this is 28 nitrogen mass by 14 atomic weight, 28 by 14, that is N2. Totally the formula of the compound is C6H8N2. So this compound may be by taking out C6H5 phenyl, that is benzene group, benzene ring, and the remaining formula here we have NH NH2. This corresponds to phenyl hydrazine. Yes, carbohydrate. So general representation we can have CxH2O taken Y times carbohydrate, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. So here in the problem they are given mass ratio of carbon to hydrogen, mass ratio of carbon to oxygen. So mass ratio of carbon to hydrogen 6:1. So multiplied by 2 it becomes 12:2. This 12 is nothing but atomic weight of carbon, 1 carbon, and H atomic weight is 1, 2 units of H, that is 2 H's, 1 carbon, 2 H's. Then here carbon to oxygen mass ratio 3:4. Let us multiply this one by 4. 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 12:16. So 12 is atomic weight of carbon, 1 carbon, 16 is atomic weight of oxygen, 1 oxygen. So 1 carbon, 1 oxygen. Total atomic ratio, here in both the cases we got carbon as 1 atom, carbon as 1 atom, hydrogen as 2 atoms, oxygen as 1 atom, hence the formula CH2O. A given organic compound contains 4% sulfur by mass, so that its minimum molecular weight. So 4% of sulfur, that means every 100 grams of organic compound contains 4 grams of sulfur. Then to have minimum molecular weight, the molecule must contain at least 1 sulfur atom. 1 sulfur atom atomic weight 32, that means in each molecule of the organic compound 32 units of mass, of sulfur must be present. So as 4 grams present in 100 grams of organic compound, to have 32 grams of sulfur, 100 by 4 into 32. So 4 ones, 4 eights, 8 hundreds, 8 into 100, that is 800 is the minimum molecular weight of the given organic compound.